Hey everyone, if Brave VPN is not working, not connecting, or keeps turning off, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get Brave VPN working again step by step. First, make sure Brave VPN is actually available in your region and included in your plan. If it's not activated, it won't connect at all. Next, close Brave completely and reopen it. Yeah, a simple restart can fix temporary connection glitches with the VPN service. If the VPN connects but doesn't work properly, try changing the server location. I mean, some servers may be overloaded or temporarily down. Now make sure your internet connection is stable. You know, a weak or unstable network can prevent the VPN from connecting properly. If you're using another VPN or proxy tool, turn it off, so multiple VPN services can conflict with Brave VPN. Another important step is updating Brave to the latest version. Yeah, outdated versions often cause VPN connection errors. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and restart Brave again. I mean, corrupted temporary files can block VPN services. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software blocks VPN traffic. Temporarily disable them to see if the VPN starts working. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. This can fix deeper system-level issues affecting the VPN, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave VPN not working and restore your secure connection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.